Right, we're making cloud bread. Cloud bread is a non-flour based bread-like thing that's made basically from eggs. So it's a low carb, keto diet, paleo approved, and it's using healthy ingredients. What are you doing? Get down. So what the boys are doing is separating egg yolks, egg on a flat surface. Wait, Sammy, and then I'm gonna open this. And I'm just putting the little yellow guy back and forward and just dropping the slime. Okay, don't let that yellow fall, whatever you do. That's it, open it from the top. That's okay. We take out the shell, put it there. That's it, open that and try and catch the yellow in one side. So turn your hands as you open it. See, and then all that slime drops in. Okay. And then I just keep popping back and forward. Slimy. This is why it's so important to wash your hands before we start cooking with food. Good, that's perfect. Okay, we've separated the yolks, the whites, the extra things you need, some sea salt, and I've got some Greek yogurt. You can use things that, like cream cheese or mascarpone, but my thinking is Greek yogurt, it's higher protein, and when we get clever down the line, we can start to make this into a probiotic. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna work on the egg whites, and this is what you need. You've gotta get yourself one of these, because this type of thing, they're in Danube supermarket for like 70 reals. Get one, it makes your life so much easier. Okay, we're gonna start whisking up the egg whites using this machine. So I'm tilting the bowl. You wanna hold it? Again, you can see it all starting to come up. What does it look like?
Cerelac. It looks like foam.
Foam, yeah, it looks like foam. It's starting to foam up. That's what we want. So you probably need 3 to 5 minutes to get it like that. We can do it a little bit more. What Adam's gonna do, take a spoon. He's gonna put some of this nice high protein Greek yogurt into the egg yolk. 2 spoons.
Two
spoons, ready?
Too big or small?
Pretty big.
Anything.
Go. So there's one, the first one. Let's have a look. Whoa, that's big. Drop it in. That's okay.
Drop it in, but it has to be just one time.
That's half a spoon, Ad. Okay, now do a big spoon. Let's do a nice big one. Okay, good. That goes in. Drop it in. And now what Adam's, a little bit of sea salt, maybe half a teaspoon. Okay. Now he takes his fork. You remember how to whisk? Start to whisk it so it all combines together. And while he's combining that, I'm just going to do a bit more in here. The egg yolk that has the Greek yogurt and some sea salt, we're going to fold it into this. So all I'm going to do is just going to put a little bit in and fold it like this. Fold it, fold it.
And the biggest spoon. Because
what we don't want to do is, we don't want to whisk it in, because we don't want to break up this airy white egg that we've created. It's lovely. So now we're just going to add this into something you can put in the oven. And then get your temperature of your oven to about 300 degrees, and we'll put it in for about 20 to 30 minutes. And once I've got these lumps, what I can do is create a little bit of a better shape. So I can just push it down a little bit and make them a little bit wider and rounder, because I want them to come out like little buns from the oven. Okay, and here they are. Can you see them?
I can see it. 20 minutes
Those
later.
are hot.
20 minutes later.
What we're going to do is just make a little sandwich. You can put anything in there, just you're going to use it as bread. So we've got here just a spring onion. So we're just going to chop just a little bit of the spring onion. Want to chop?
Of course.
Yeah? Okay. How's the knife? We're going to have one hand here. You're not going to go anywhere near your fingers. You're just going to chop. That's it. 1. And again, it's okay. Just keep your hand there. Go. 2 and 1 more. Just take these a bit smaller. So what I can do is just put my hand over the edge of the knife on the top here. And I can just go down, down, down. This is the best way to teach kids to chop. Hand on the top, hand on the top, hand on. Hold this handle, and then put your hand there, and go, chop. So we go down, 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 down. See that? Or you can do that. So look, we'll make a flat edge, put it down, then it doesn't move so much. And then all I'm going to do is going to grip it. I'm going to take a chop down this knife. Okay, we only need just a few slices. Good. So all I'm going to do, this is some homemade mayonnaise. I'm just going to add a little bit onto the bread. So look, it feels, you know what that feels like? A Shake Shack bun when you go to Shake Shack. So I'm just going to put a little bit of mayonnaise on my bread, my cloud bread. Then some of these spring onions, drop them in. Can I borrow some of that? Thank you very much. And then a tomato or two. And then maybe a sprinkle of sea salt, just a tiny bit. And then we take the top.
Thank you.
And there you have a cool little sandwich that isn't using normal bread made with flour. You want to try it? So the bread tastes, it's soft and fluffy. It feels like a Shake Shack burger, honestly. To put a burger in this can be lovely. But when you bite into it, it's almost got you can tell it's been made with egg. It's very soft inside. It's lovely. It's just a better replacement for bread. What else could you replace? You could use lettuce leaves or cauliflower, which I'll show you how to make another day.